Hey guys, I am back with another unboxing. I know I just got a planner in from Foxyfix, but I have another one, but this is from Pellestudio, and I've never ordered from her, but I'm so excited because I've heard good things and I love the aesthetic of her planners. Alright, so I'm not sure what, I can see elastic. I'm going to open this up and see what else is inside. Oh, cool. So these are like little tiny pockets, adhesive pockets. And then we have a business card. So here's the shop information if you're interested. And then the elastics look like light pink and white. There's a cute little thank you card. All right, here we go. Even the bubble wrap is really cute. It's like this heart pattern. Okay, so it comes with a canvas bag. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Alright, so yes, I had to get the holographic planner. And then this has a light pink glitter scalloped spine with the heart design. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, this is so well made. Okay, so I don't know what's happening here with the elastic though. I guess it just didn't get pulled through all the way. That's fine. I can do that. You know, actually, maybe that's why they left. That's why they provided this in case you wanted to change the color out. But I like the pink, so I'm gonna fix that. Okay. Wow, so yes, this is a shiny, smooth, holographic leather. And there's no card pockets, but there's a pocket here and then a pocket here. The leather is really soft, like, and squishy, so that's really nice. And the rings look super nice, and the way that it's attached is with like this thick plastic piece, I guess, to give it some more stability. I love it. I think it's super cute. And the elastic does have it is nice and long, so I can stuff it and fill this up. I'm really excited about that. So overall, first impressions, I love it, and I am gonna go ahead and take all my inserts out of my Foxyfix and put them in here, and I'll probably switch between the two planners. I hope you guys liked this video, and maybe you found it helpful if you've been thinking of making a purchase with Pellestudio. I definitely recommend it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!